D-Lo, girls in my car. Cause man, nigga, away from the top. Nigga, I don't stop. I ain't gonna oversee. What the fuck you talking about? Nigga, gangsta, I don't feel that do that shit. What's up? What is that? I'ma calm down, we know keep it flowing, you motherfucker. I never lay shit down, you play with my system, crowd that hoe. That's how we get down. Look. New video alert. We gonna be reacting to Slime Cry Utah vlog. You hear me? We gonna be reacting to this. Let's see what they talking about. Cause I'm ready for that slime. That Slime Cry album, man. Alright, let's get this reaction. Let's go. Trouble, I hear that I'm waiting. I'ma put on my mask, I'ma put on my kid like it ready. I'm coming to say the thing. I got things inside me, trim all on my sleeves. Devil knows only thing I see. Boy, my leg, you tried me. I can't sleep. I'm fucked up about everything that you been told me. Yeah.
Must be the little low mo he was talking about. Hold on, it's something we gotta do. It was just doing that when he did the shit in the video.
They say hi and low on that.
Oh, you had to have it down. That's what it was. He did the same thing.
That man almost got his legs. That man almost got his legs tall, and he ain't even look. He ain't even paying attention to it. That man dangerous. He ain't even paying attention to that. He was finna get his legs taken off. That boy dangerous.
Oh no, that didn't last long.
The convoy is down. I'm finna go on Hobby Lobby and I'm finna go on Vortex.
Is that where they're from?
You saw they sitting getting real tired of Chris. Oh, they turn their back on but still be showing love. B.I.G. I got you. Sign my shots.
I told my wife I was gonna run into you out there. That's what I'm doing too.
Yeah, I see it.
Youngboy's in the house. What's up, brother?
What's your name, huh?
That's hard.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, brother. You better know it's all day, brother.
That's hard. Ain't gonna cap. A lot of people don't get to see this side of him. Like, that's dope. Like, that's hard. A lot of people painting pictures on somebody they don't even know.
You don't even know this person. And you don't even see the side of this dude. You don't even know what he go through. And he showing up. He showing it. Like, bro, that's a cool ass nigga, boy. And y'all be hating on that man. A lot of people that you don't know, y'all be putting an image on them. You don't even know this person. Like, a lot of people, y'all just be hating on a person that just want to take care of their family. And you just be hating on that person. That person just gave out $100 just for a person. You don't know what that child or his father was going through. And he gave him $100 to make this day. You don't know what other people go through. But y'all paint a picture on this dude, make it seem like he's the villain. This man is smiling, enjoying his life. You can't paint a picture on somebody you don't even know. You don't know what that man been through or what he going through. He gave out $100 just like that. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give out to people I don't even know. Because you never know what somebody going through. I'm probably talking too long, but I'm just telling the truth. You don't know what somebody else going through. And you can be a blessing to them.
Done. Thanks, bro. Would you mind taking a pic, bro?
Yeah.
Where you going? You walking? Yeah, I just live on the corner behind us, bro. Hey, only child, bro. This shit clean, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much.
Show, man.
Appreciate you. You too, brother. What you got? What you got? What you got? Check out.
They don't even know this man. They paint a picture on him. He take care of everybody that's around.
Shop your new mattress your way.
Ass. Oh my God.
Browse our wide selection online.
Nah, you don't even know this man. He take care of his family. And they be paint a picture on this dude. I don't even know him either, but I see that he's a good person. He hard.
See, that was I made this straight from Google, man. Precious shit. What you want to know? How you feel? Here's where it's not cracking.
How are you doing tonight? Are you having fun? What is this? You bring your kid out. Take a picture. You guys? Would you like some? Get everyone up here? Troops are here.
What's up, my dude?
It's cool.
That's hard, bro. You don't see this side of him. And he happy as hell. That's dope. That thing long, boy. Not like that, bro.
I need to take the windows up.
A little bit.
Let's go. That's BJ, man.
You gotta go, mommy.
I have
Okay,
three
we'll know
businesses
that.
that are selling on Shopify. Once I figured
Yeah,
out,
y'all don't see that, bro. Y'all do not see what this man, like they paint a picture of this man and he just want to take care of his family. That man is happy. Like, I want to see more vlogs like that, though. Like, it's a lot of people that's not even there for their kids. And they paint a picture on this man. He taking care of his kids. Well, taking care of his family. He take care of his family. I ain't got nothing to say. Like, I want to see more vlogs, bro. This nigga, man, this man is dope. Hey, you don't see no big time rapper taking a vlog. Well, doing a vlog. You won't never see no big time rapper doing no vlog or showing you what they going through or showing you like they lifestyle. Like, that's different. And then like he the main one that's top trending. That's different. Like, he a different breed. And I ain't talking like to be talking or just be riding. No, I'm telling the truth. And a lot of people just be hating on this man. Like, how can you hate on somebody that's in their kid's life? There's some dads or some moms that's not even in their kid's life. Oh, don't even know their kid. Like, and y'all paint a picture on this man? Hey, y'all some haters. But I ain't no hater. I support everybody. Even the people that don't like me. Stay away from me. That's all you can do. But Top, please give us some more vlogs, man. And Slime cries. I ain't say drop the Slime cry, but I'm saying Slime cry. People cry. It's good to let it go. 2026. Grind and shine. That's all I'm saying. Like, comment, subscribe. Top, please drop more vlogs. And I like what you're doing, man. Don't let nobody stop you. We gone. Love you.